Here we're going to go over how to add a calendar to your funnel page. To begin, we're going to click on the Add Element button, and we're going to go down to the Custom section and click on Calendar. A pop-up will appear for you to choose one of three options. Here you can toggle on to use a group page. This is going to populate a calendar that you have set up for a group, so it'll show a number of calendars. Here you can select an individual calendar from the drop-down, and then here, if you would like to create a new calendar, just click on this button here. I'm going to begin by selecting this single drop-down and opening up one of our calendars. So here you can see all of the available days and times in your calendar. So these are going to show all of your open time slots to your clients. On the left-hand side, you can go ahead and name your calendar. So we're just doing a test calendar, so I'm just going to name it Test Calendar. You can add padding to the top, bottom, left, or right by toggling these here or typing in numerical values here. Scroll down to the calendar configuration. You can also change which calendar is showing in this view. So if you want to use a group page, you can toggle this on and then select which one you would like to do. And then you can also toggle this off and select a different calendar as well. Here you have 3 redirect action options. So when the client clicks on the continue button, you can select here to go to a website URL, go to the next step, or also use an action built into the calendar. If you go to advanced settings, you can toggle on and off the visibility on desktop and mobile. If you have a custom class, you can add one here. And then if you like your customization of your calendar and you want to copy and paste it over to another funnel, you can just hit this button here.